Alright, hi. What's going on, guys? It's Samuel24 and here I have yet another review. So this oh my god, my camera! Oh my god, okay, that's better. Kind of like distorted kind of colors, but right. This is a Hot Wheels fingerboard set. It comes with one, two, three, four fingerboards and one, two sets of shoes. And before I unbox it, I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for this. So I got it in Smith's, and it cost £15. Yeah. If you find these, but like one fingerboard and one set of shoes, do not buy them on eBay or anywhere for that matter. If it's like £60, that is a total scam. Those are just like American idiots who, not to all other American people who might be watching my content, but like American scammers or idiots, whatever, who sell them for overpriced because they think that they apparently aren't sold in the UK. Oh yeah, then what is this then? It's exactly what's being sold on eBay. So I'm gonna quickly pop this open. Oh jeez. Pop it open. Yes, there we go. And I'm gonna pull it out. Oh god damn, that looks nice. Now I'm gonna keep the box. I'm gonna keep on storing them in there. Alright. Let's take a look at what we have here. Okay. Nice fingerboards. Let's first take a look at the shoes. We got them 1, 2. Buckle my shoe, 3, 4. Buckle some more. Come on, please. 5, 6. Nike kicks. Okay, that was really cringe and I'm never doing that again. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's take a look at this first fingerboard, which is actually my brother's favorite. Ah, come on. Please, get out. Yes. So let's take a look at this first fingerboard, which I actually didn't use that much yet. So it has red wheels. Oh, gray dust particle. Is it still there? No, okay. So red wheels. I'm just gonna try and get my camera to focus again. So sorry. So you can see red wheels. Oh, come on, you stupid camera! Oh my god, camera's really driving me nuts. Finally, so you see red wheels, not really shiny silver trucks, no sharp pointy things. Oh yeah, and the graphic is a blue dinosaur. I actually really like it because it's like in the jaws of another dinosaur. Like a little stop Hot Wheels sign there. I really love this one. Here you have original Hot Wheels since 1968. Oh, I can't do it always with that hand. There we go. And you got them Nike kicks. Just put these on and cut the camera real quick. Okay! These are pretty nice. I do have a hangnail right now. It's ripping on it. Ow! Ow, my fingy. My finger. Right. So, nothing special about this. It's a little bit higher than a normal tech deck. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the trucks move. Look at that. They 100% move. Okay. Let's take a look at this one, shall we? This is my second favorite one. That's my favorite one. Pop that as well. Oh my god, okay. Hot Wheels. Wait, do they have different grip tape? Yeah, look, different grip tape. Nice. So this one has silver trucks. I think they all have silver trucks. Yeah, they all do. Black wheels, very beautiful. And this one's like a hot rod and then a Hot Wheels graphic. Really like this one. God, so beautiful. And yeah, The trucks definitely do tilt. I swear on my life they do tilt. Alright, this is the third one. So, my second favorite, my brother's favorite. No idea whose favorite this one is because it's kind of a boring graphic. Yeah, silver trucks, red wheels again. That's pretty cool. And you have the, is this way? Yeah. Original Hot Wheels since 1968. Oh, this one's a different graphic too. Look at that. So yeah, this one's also pretty cool. I like this one too. Pretty cool. We're gonna review those shoes at the end, by the way. Just pop this out. Pop number 1. Pop number 2. Always satisfying. Ooh, this one's like an oblong shape. Look at this. Goofy Ohio shape. Oh my god. I don't know why, but this one's really my favorite. Like, these shoes grip on really tight on the back. Alright, so let's take a look at this one, shall we? Silver trucks as usual. Yellow wheels. Oh, we got another unique one. So we got the black wheels, red wheels. Yeah. So red wheels are common, black wheels and yellow wheels are rare. I guess then. Look at that graphic though. You have like a more modern sports muscle. No, you have like a more modern muscle car there. God damn, and this one's So yeah, 3 different graphics, but no, 4 different graphics, 3 different wheels, 1 truck, 1 same truck's color, and 3 types of grip tape. This one, and this one. This one's definitely my favorite because it has the smallest writing. I love that. I don't like it when it's like plastered across the whole skateboard. I really don't like that. Trust me, I really don't. Alright, anyways, let's take a look at these. These are them slipper kicks. No, these ain't Ohio kicks. These are slipper kicks. I'll just quickly put these on too. Okay, I'm just gonna put the second one on camera. And yeah, really tight fit, and these actually hurt less. So I'm gonna be using these during the couple minutes of the video. Oh yeah, also, if you're trying to go into fingerboarding, because, you know, like you just love it, then I really suggest you buy that first, because look at this little secret feature that those shoes have too. Look. Oh, what is that imprint? And why can you push it out? If it's not obvious yet, take a look at the shoes. If it's really not obvious yet, look at that. They can hook onto the fingerboard, so you can do ollies without a single issue. How cool is that? And the other one does it too. Look. You're limited to what tricks you can do. Like, for example, you can't do heel flips, you can't do impossibles, you can't do kick flips, but you can do pop shove-its, nollies, ollies. It's just amazing. And then just put them on, and look at that. Because it grips on. Like, you see that, bro? Look at that. I also really think that's cool. So you can just like do always without any problems. Look at that. Oh, I got a Nike kick shoe. I love this so much that yesterday I literally wouldn't even dare touch my tablet. I just played with these all day. Skateboard kicks. Everything kicks. And if you don't want them to be like just grippers for your skateboard. Let's see which one this is. It's gonna be this one. Oh, come on, I don't wanna. Okay, actually, do need to cut the camera. Alright, so I put them on, and oh my god, yeah. So you can either grip them onto a skateboard or just like, oh, good luck with always trying to learn them like that. Ain't no chance, ain't no shot you're gonna learn always like that. So either use your fingers or remove that and use your shoes. I'm Sammy Games 34. I hope to see you guys next time. Have a good day.